Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start now by confirming Windows 10 is updated and your laptop is plugged into AC power. This prevents power-saving audio limits. Next, open the sound settings, right-click the speaker icon and choose Open Sound Settings, and set the output device to the built-in speakers, not HDMI or Bluetooth. Once done, test volume slider and increase to 70–90% so you can hear changes. Make sure headphones are unplugged. If a jack is dirty, gently clean it to restore contact. Now, focus on drivers and software. Open Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers, then update or uninstall and reinstall the audio driver so Windows redetects hardware. After driver work, open Speaker Properties Enhancements and disable all enhancements because some boost settings actually lower perceived volume. Then check levels and balance tabs to confirm left and right channels match. Finally, run Windows Troubleshooter for playing audio to let Windows apply automated fixes. This often resolves configuration conflicts. Finish with advanced checks. Open your Realtek or OEM audio control panel and enable speaker boost or equalizer presets to increase output, but use modest gains to avoid distortion. Test with a known good external speaker or USB headset to isolate whether the problem is software or broken drivers versus hardware. If software changes fail, reset BIOS audio settings to default. Sometimes firmware toggles affect volume. If volume remains low after these,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.